Hello y'all, I'm starting a new vlog and I'm actually starting it on Friday. I didn't vlog, ooh, there's like a yellow jacket flying outside the window. But I knew that I was gonna vlog mostly on Saturday, so I didn't want to start it early in the week because tomorrow I'm going to get my hair done. Lots more blonde. I don't know if I'm gonna do anything else. Getting my hair done and we're gonna go do some shopping that's long overdue, looking for some things. Gonna go to Marshall's and HomeGoods and check it out. But I got a couple packages and I thought I would show you. I knew that this was coming from Influencer and it's one of these Philips One toothbrushes, but I didn't open it yet because, oh, I got this color. Okay, I was curious what color I would get. This is kind of cute. It's like peach. I'm not sure what they actually call this color. This has a handle, a brush head, and a travel case. I was actually kind of wanting some type of electric toothbrush, so that's cool. And then it came with this little bag. Oh, so I got that. Let me cut open this. I ordered something from Ipsy. They have like their little shop section. This little Feel Vitamin E Balm is amazing if you have dry, cracked heels. Hello. Can I get any kind of focus? Okay, so I'm almost out of a tube of this, but it's really good on my heels. My heels are so dry. But then I also saw this, which is the main reason why I ordered. It was a little duo. So it was like two random items together, but I've always wanted to try this. This has like those little hydrating beads in it. Very excited. There's scissors up here, baby. Come on. Come on. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you. I just got those two packages and I will probably just see you guys tomorrow because we'll go on a little adventure together. It's coffee time. I literally woke up after 12 hours of sleep in the afternoon and now I'm like, oh my god, I need to get up. My plan was to get up fairly early, do my makeup before getting my hair done. Zach's picking my mom up at the airport and then we'll all meet back up, say hi, bye, and then me and Zach are going shopping. No focus. Okay. Why are you focusing on the window? This camera. Anyway, so we have lots to vlog tomorrow, so I can't wait. I'm most excited to just get a Starbucks. Like I've been missing a Starbucks. So yeah, you'll see lots of fun shopping and stuff like that. So we'll see you then. Hey, so we're at Starbucks now. Zach went in to pick up I did a mobile order. I got a Trenta iced coffee, a Trenta. I know that's crazy. With toffee nut, which is one of my favorites. I feel like nobody ever talks about toffee nut, but it's so good. And some almond milk. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. Do you want to see? It's just time. La, da, da.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moon, like that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time. Would you have stayed if I had been honest with you from the start? Don't say it's okay if I'm falling and you're running away. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moon, like that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time.
Now we're at Target. I'm not hiding anything. I'm looking for a shelf or something that I can store my palettes in because it's getting bad. Okay, I'm looking for some candy. I think I'll maybe get this one for a challenge. That should be fun. Okay, let me tell y'all that I just talked to my camera for about 2 to 3 minutes without it being on. Darling, you've got to get down. This is not where you're supposed to be. You're actually not allowed to be there, so you need to stop it. You wanna give a camera kiss? Thank you. So I thought I'd show you what we got first off. So my hair is a little stripier. I'll get used to it. It's a little frosty right now, very cool tone, but my hair will easily warm that shit up because that's just what my hair does. And I'm still very solidly blonde at the ends. My ends are just a teensy bit warmer, but it's okay because as it like starts to warm up, I can totally like adjust if I need to. As long as the bleach is done right, which is very nicely lightened. Darling, we're gonna have to have a discussion. I know your paws just slide over that granite, but you're not supposed to be up there. Anyway, Sally is enjoying our new rugs. Got these at HomeGoods. We got this one for the guest bath and then this one for the master bath shower. Really needed those because we had accidents when Penny was put away, and then Tina, this little thing, loves to poop where she's not supposed to poop. And here lately, I think she's really pissed off about Penny being here. She started peeing on stuff because she really dislikes her. Okay, we're gonna have to have a chat and you may get a timeout. So I want to show you what we got. I already put these in the pantry, but we got these 2 trail mix. This one is my favorite. Hello there. This is my favorite trail mix at Target. Ma'am. And then what else at Target? A few cleaning supplies. We got some kitty toys. I always like to go through their toys and get rid of any like really gross ones they never ever play with, yada yada. So there's that. We only found 4 syrups and we got 2 of them at HomeGoods / Marshalls. It's one store, and then 2 of them at Ross. I just happened to find, or maybe just 1. No, I think we got these 2 at Ross, but they're very picked over. I can hardly find them anymore. We got some more stuff at Target. I got pineapple hint. This is one of my favorite drinks. So good, and it's just like basically like drinking water. I got these because I'm going to do a little color makeup challenge, and I ordered a really fun like paint face paint palette. I got 2 of the Kodiak cakes. These are the protein pancakes. Love those. I'm going to try this combo here. Maybe adding flavor if I need it, but this is a sweet and creamy silk almond creamer, and then this is the Stoke cold brew coffee. I don't know how I'm gonna do with this because I do drink half calf usually, so I mean I guess I can just like dilute it if it tastes too strong or it's too much caffeine. That sounds amazing. And then I got these Scotch-Brite. These are the plant-based sponges. I also saw this, and I mean, you can totally make fun of me if you want to, but I read the like released chapter or whatever amount of the book it was of Midnight Sun, which if you don't know, if you're a Twilight fan or were a Twilight fan, this is, to my understanding, Twilight from Edward's perspective. So it's just kind of like a retelling, and you get to learn a little bit more about some things that happened. I'm very excited. I was definitely like a Twilight nerd, and I loved it so much. I think I saw the movie and then I read all the books and I was obsessed. I don't care. I'm a basic bitch. What do you want to do? I got the Keurig water filters. We needed those. What else? Okay, so I got a few things at Ross, and I feel like I got lucky. I found some cute stuff. I just thought these would be cute to like match with makeup looks. These even have little flamingos and palm trees, but I just thought the colors would be really cool if it like matched with my makeup. I saw these and I couldn't believe like this was actually there, but Bare Republic, I have a sunscreen from them that I really like, and this is a Diamond Dust sunscreen lotion. So I thought this could be really pretty. And then I also saw this Citrus Cooler. This is a mineral sunscreen spray. So these are both mineral sunscreens, and I just felt like we're getting into that time where I could use a little extra sunscreen. So I just need to use these up like this year, because basically sunscreen's usually good for about a year, and these both expire like this fall and winter. So I got this shirt. This was only $8.99. It's a little MTV shirt. I just thought it was so cute. Like, I felt like this was very different looking from what I usually see. It's got a little knot, which you could totally undo if you wanted to. And then on the back it says music television. Now this I'm super excited about. I thought this looked super cute. I hope it fits me. It was $12.99. Usually their dresses run to me more junior sizes than anything else, so I got a 1X just in case, with it being flowy, but it has the stretchy at the waist, so I feel like I can make it work even if it's a little big or whatever. But it is a maxi dress, and I just felt like it was pretty. I'm feeling this style. So that's what I got at Ross. And then a few other things that I got at Marshalls / HomeGoods. I got this little set. This is the nicest material. It feels like a knit, very, very soft. This is the brand, if you happen to see it. Only $12.99. And it came with this, which also kind of knotted in the front, and the shorts. So like a little lounge set. I wouldn't even call this like pajamas. This is just like a lounge around my house, film stuff, because like it's cute. It's not going to be ugly to film in, so I just felt like this was super adorable. I went back and forth on whether or not I wanted this, but I've always wanted to try Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess. This is the light bronzer. This is a pretty big bronzer. Usually they're $45. I saw it for $20. It's not like the most amazing deal ever, but I feel like it was still a good enough deal to try it out. And it's like a classic. Also, if you're ever shopping in TJ Maxx or Marshalls and you want to look up when a product was manufactured, I was able to look up this, which is the manufacturer code, and it's a website called checkfresh.com. They don't have every brand, but a lot of like popular brands. Based on that code, they'll tell you when it was manufactured. So this was manufactured last year, so it's not old, which if I can look it up, I do. Sometimes I just know. Like I knew this collection was like not new, but it's certainly not old. It's the Pure and Barbie collection. So I got the gloss and the highlight. These were super cheap. Gloss was $3.99 and the highlight was $5.99. I mean, I thought they were cute enough to pick up to like collect, you know? This guy I was really impressed with because a lot of the acrylic I'm noticing is priced higher. Like one of the 4 space organizers, like a rectangle that I have brushes in, I saw those and they were $10 a piece. I want to say I paid $6 or $7. So I felt like those are really kind of overpriced, but this was only $5.99. So a lot of times if you look at their acrylic stuff and you just kind of search through, check the prices of everything, because sometimes you'll find some really good deals. I also just thought this looked really pretty. Like it's not janky looking acrylic. It definitely looks very nice. It's got like these nice edges. I love the little square top, and you could use this for anything. I'm thinking like lipsticks maybe. And then these glasses were on clearance. These are just little plastic cups. I wanted the cherry one and I didn't want to get a lot because I don't need them, but Zach said he liked the watermelon better. So he got a watermelon, I got a cherry, and I think that's it. Right, I'm going to change to get comfortable. I am tired and I have not eaten a single thing today. Zach's getting us Wendy's. I don't know if I said that. We just wanted something quick and easy. Look at this. I also really need a new humidifier because the hard water has crusted it up, and no matter how much CLR we use, it's like not getting better. I don't know, it's just, it looks real rough. Darling, we gotta get down. Come on. Come on. And I was looking for another container, like a storage container for their food to keep it fresher, because this one's like broken around the edges and I couldn't find one. They hardly had any cat stuff everywhere we went. Yeah, she pulls down the dish towels. This one's still hanging on by some miracle, but she pulls them down and then lays with them and plays with them. Okay? Hi, Sally. You okay? Hi, baby. You want kisses? Okay, no? Okay. What about you? What about you? Sniffly dibblies? Hi, mwah, pretty. One more. I don't know where Mr. Minnes is. Baby? Sweet girl. Hey guys, so Penny's going crazy. So it's now Monday, and I got a package from Amazon of a few things I ordered to do like really fun creative makeup with. So I thought I'd show you that really quick before I end the vlog. I've already started editing, so it should be up tonight on Monday, and then I should have an Ipsy for you tomorrow. I've always wanted the Makeup Forever face paint palette, but it's $100. So I looked on Amazon and I tried to find one that had good reviews. This was $20, so I decided to give it a try. Obviously this is not going to be your normal product. Also, obviously it's hot here, so a little bit of the like oils came to the surface, but I kind of dabbed it off the white just to see what it would look like, and it looks pretty good for like what I'm going for. This is basically so that I can do like really fun creative stuff if I ever want to paint stuff on my face, and I saw a couple challenges on TikTok that I want to try. So what I'm gonna do is let Skittles pick my makeup, because I've seen that trend going around, and I'll credit the person who I think started it because I've seen her do it a lot, but I thought this would be really fun. But I definitely needed something like this, and hello, crazy. And obviously you could mix and match these colors. So I thought this looked really cool. It's got more shades than the Makeup Forever and a lot less expensive. I've also been checking out little gemstones, and so this was $20. I paid $40 for all of this. I paid $10 for this one and $10 for this one. So this came with, it's got a couple of these like sketching pencils if you want to like lay down your lines of where you want to place them. These are more like iridescent looking, and they've got big to small, even down to like itsy bitsy teensy ones, and they're pretty nicely full. Like there's a lot of stones in here. I think it said like 15,000 pieces or something crazy. And then this one has various colors, so you've got like different little iridescent ones that look different than those. You've got pink, red, orange, green, blue, got like a champagne, something orange, black, and then lots of these basic, like, they look dark on the back, so it looks really dark in here, but these are just like silvery gemstones, you know, if you want to look like a diamond. So I just wanted these things to create fun looks, and like I was missing some, because the gemstones that I have, I don't have enough if I want to cover like a large portion of my face or my eye. So these will come in really handy, and they're super cheap. And I'll try to reuse them too. Like obviously probably lose a few in the process, but I do try to like clean them off and reuse them so that they don't just wind up in the trash, because you could use them again and again. So I will add these to my Amazon storefront thingy. I always forget to update that, and I'll keep you guys updated too, but so far I think this is going to work out. This is a little bit like oilier, but that's what I wanted, because it might be sitting on my face for a little bit before I actually like do everything, because in the process of filming it can take a lot longer than it seems. So I actually thought this would be a good thing, and obviously I'm not going to keep it on my face very long unless like, you know, for Halloween or something if I'm doing something, but on a normal basis this is just to create fun stuff and then take it off shortly thereafter. But anyway, that's what the sets came with, there and there and this. So I'll put those on my Amazon storefront in case you're interested and are looking for something like that, because I'm pretty stoked with what I got. Okay, that is it. I am wiped out. I cannot sleep well. I did get... Did I show you guys? I think I showed you the book. I got Midnight Sun, which I didn't realize had been out since August. I'm like, I don't know where I've been. And I'm still that basic bitch who loves Twilight. Like, I can't help it, especially the books. So I started reading that like in bed the other night, and I was up until 3. And I only got through like 2 chapters. I was probably tired while I was reading it, but I was still like wanting to read it. So I'll probably read some more tonight, but for now I'm gonna edit, post something on Instagram. I have a video. So I hope you guys are doing amazing and had a great week. I hope you like the shopping portion. I feel like I should have vlogged more while I was shopping, but it was Saturday, so it was crazy. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for hanging with me and watching my vlog, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.